Hey lifters, welcome back to Daily Dose of Health. If you're looking to crush your workouts, recover like a beast, and fuel your gains, you're in the right place. Today, I'm dropping 25 high-energy smoothie recipes designed specifically for weightlifting. These are packed with protein, carbs, and healthy fats to power your sessions and speed up recovery. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gym rat, there's something here for you. So grab your blender, hit that subscribe button, and let's get blending. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to smoothie ingredient? Before we dive in, I've split these into 3 categories: pre-workout for energy, post-workout for recovery, and all-purpose for anytime fuel. Each recipe makes one serving, about 12 to 16 ounces, and I'll share calorie and macro estimates so you can track your nutrition. First up, pre-workout smoothies. These are all about quick carbs for energy, moderate protein, and ingredients to boost stamina. Perfect 30 to 60 minutes before you hit the gym. Blend 1 banana, a tablespoon of peanut butter, a cup of almond milk, a quarter cup of rolled oats, a teaspoon of honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. This gives you 350 calories, 12 grams of protein, 50 grams of carbs, and 10 grams of fat. The oats and banana deliver sustained and instant energy while peanut butter keeps you full. Take half a cup of cooked beets or a quarter cup of beet juice, add a cup of frozen mixed berries, a cup of coconut water, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and half a scoop of vanilla whey protein. It's 300 calories, 15 grams of protein, 45 carbs, and 5 grams of fat. Beets boost blood flow and berries fight oxidative stress. Blend a cup of spinach, half an avocado, 1 banana, a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of hemp seeds, and a teaspoon of matcha powder. You get 320 calories, 10 grams of protein, 40 carbs, and 15 grams of fat. Matcha's natural caffeine gives you a clean energy kick. Mix half a cup of pineapple, half a cup of mango, a cup of coconut milk, a quarter cup of rolled oats, and a tablespoon of flax seeds. It's 340 calories, 6 grams of protein, 55 carbs, and 12 grams of fat. Perfect for quick digesting carbs to fuel your lifts. Blend a shot of espresso, or half a cup of cold brew with a banana, a quarter cup of oats, a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of almond butter, and a teaspoon of cocoa powder. It's 360 calories, 10 grams of protein, 50 carbs, and 14 grams of fat. The caffeine sharpens focus for heavy sets. These are game changers for energy. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. Now, post-workout smoothies. These are high in protein for muscle repair and carbs to refill glycogen. Drink these within 30 minutes after lifting for max gains. Blend a scoop of chocolate whey protein, a tablespoon of peanut butter, 1 banana, a cup of oat milk, and a teaspoon of chia seeds. It's 400 calories, 30 grams of protein, 45 carbs, and 12 grams of fat. The protein repairs muscle, and the banana restores glycogen. Mix a cup of frozen cherries, a scoop of vanilla whey protein, a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of almond butter, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You get 380 calories, 28 grams of protein, 35 carbs, and 14 grams of fat. Cherries reduce soreness, perfect after leg day. Blend half a cup of cottage cheese, a cup of frozen blueberries, a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of honey, and a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon. It's 320 calories, 20 grams of protein, 40 carbs, and 6 grams of fat. Cottage cheese gives slow-release protein for overnight recovery. Take a cup of frozen mango, a scoop of vanilla plant-based protein, a cup of coconut water, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a tablespoon of flax seeds. It's 340 calories, 22 grams of protein, 45 carbs, and 8 grams of fat. Turmeric fights inflammation from heavy lifts. Blend a cup of spinach, a scoop of vanilla whey protein, half a banana, a cup of oat milk, and a tablespoon of pumpkin seeds. It's 360 calories, 28 grams of protein, 40 carbs, and 10 grams of fat. Spinach's nitrates help with recovery. These will have your muscles thanking you. Smash that like button if you're ready to recover smarter. Finally, all-purpose smoothies. These are balanced for any time, great as meal replacements or snacks to keep you energized all day. Blend a scoop of chocolate protein powder, a tablespoon of almond butter, a cup of coconut milk, a quarter cup of oats, and a teaspoon of shredded coconut. It's 380 calories, 25 grams of protein, 40 carbs, and 15 grams of fat. Tastes like a treat but feels like a champ. Mix a cup of frozen strawberries, a quarter cup of cooked quinoa, a cup of almond milk, a scoop of vanilla protein, and a teaspoon of honey. It's 350 calories, 24 grams of protein, 45 carbs, and 8 grams of fat. Quinoa adds extra protein and carbs. Blend half an avocado, a cup of kale, half a banana, a cup of coconut water, a tablespoon of chia seeds, and half a scoop of vanilla protein. It's 340 calories, 15 grams of protein, 40 carbs, and 14 grams of fat. Kale's micronutrients keep you strong. Take a cup of frozen pineapple, a cup of coconut milk, a scoop of vanilla protein, a tablespoon of hemp seeds, and half a teaspoon of ginger. It's 360 calories, 22 grams of protein, 38 carbs, and 12 grams of fat. Pineapple aids digestion. Blend a quarter cup of oats, a tablespoon of raisins, a scoop of vanilla protein, a cup of almond milk, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of almond butter. It's 370 calories, 24 grams of protein, 45 carbs, and 10 grams of fat. Dessert vibes, gym benefits. Mix a quarter cup of pumpkin puree, a scoop of vanilla protein, a cup of oat milk, half a banana, half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice, and a tablespoon of almond butter. It's 380 calories, 25 grams of protein, 42 carbs, and 12 grams of fat. Fall flavors, year-round gains. Blend a cup of mixed frozen berries, a tablespoon of cashew butter, a cup of almond milk, a scoop of vanilla protein, and a teaspoon of flax seeds. It's 360 calories, 26 grams of protein, 35 carbs, and 14 grams of fat. Creamy and antioxidant packed. Mix a tablespoon of chia seeds, a scoop of chocolate protein, a cup of oat milk, half a banana, and a teaspoon of cocoa powder. It's 350 calories, 25 grams of protein, 40 carbs, and 10 grams of fat. Chia seeds add fiber for all-day energy. Blend 1 cored green apple, a quarter cup of oats, a cup of almond milk, a scoop of vanilla protein, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of almond butter. It's 370 calories, 24 grams of protein, 45 carbs, and 12 grams of fat. Tastes like pie, fuels like a pro. Mix a cup of frozen peaches, a scoop of vanilla protein, a cup of coconut water, a tablespoon of hemp seeds, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. It's 340 calories, 22 grams of protein, 40 carbs, and 8 grams of fat. Summery and refreshing. Blend half a cup of cold brew coffee, a scoop of chocolate protein, a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of hazelnut butter, and half a banana. It's 360 calories, 25 grams of protein, 35 carbs, and 12 grams of fat. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. Blend half a cup of cold brew coffee, a scoop of chocolate protein, a cup of almond milk, a tablespoon of hazelnut butter, and half a banana. It's 360 calories, 25 grams of protein, 35 carbs, and 12 grams of fat. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. Mix a cup of frozen raspberries, half a cup of coconut yogurt, a cup of coconut milk, a scoop of vanilla protein, and a tablespoon of flax seeds. It's 350 calories, 22 grams of protein, 38 carbs, and 10 grams of fat. Probiotics and antioxidants in one. Blend half a cup of cooked sweet potato, a scoop of vanilla protein, a cup of oat milk, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a tablespoon of almond butter. It's 380 calories, 24 grams of protein, 45 carbs, and 12 grams of fat. Sweet potato fuels long-term energy. Mix a cup of frozen blackberries, a tablespoon of chia seeds, a scoop of vanilla protein, a cup of almond milk, and half a banana. It's 340 calories, 24 grams of protein, 40 carbs, and 8 grams of fat. Blackberries bring the antioxidant power. Blend a cup of frozen mango, a teaspoon of matcha powder, a scoop of vanilla protein, a cup of coconut water, and a tablespoon of hemp seeds. It's 350 calories, 22 grams of protein, 42 carbs, and 8 grams of fat. Matcha keeps you energized without the crash. Pro tips: blend fresh for the best taste, but you can store these in the fridge for up to 24 hours. Just shake well. Swap protein powders, whey, pea, or plant-based, based on your diet. Adjust milk types for flavor or calories. Use a high-powered blender for silky smoothies, especially with oats or seeds. Timing matters. Pre-workout 30 to 60 minutes before, post-workout within 30 minutes after, and all-purpose anytime you need a boost. These recipes are perfect for your fitness journey, whether you're bulking, cutting, or maintaining. Want vegan versions or smoothies for seniors? Let me know in the comments. And if you love this, check out my other videos on muscle building meals, link in the description. That's it for today, lifters. Subscribe, hit the bell, and share this with your gym crew. Let's keep fueling those gains together. See you in the next video. Super subscribe now. Watch next top 10 muscle building